Welcome to Infinite Cloud AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate very cool images from text on your MacBook laptop using an app called Diffusers. First, go to App Store and search Diffusers. Select the app and download. After download, open the app. This is the main page of the app. It's a very simple interface. Under Model, select Stable Diffusion 2.1 base from Stability AI, which is the same model used by Midjourney. If this is the first time you use the model, it may take a couple minutes to download. Under Advanced, select GPU and Neural Engine. Check Disable Safety Checkers. In Positive Pump text box, enter the text you want to generate the image. In Negative Pump, enter the phrase you don't want the image to be. For example, low definition, low quality. Then click Generate. Here we go, a painting of a cat in tuxedo. It takes about 14 seconds to generate this image. Let's try another example, a longer sentence this time. Here we go, an ancient Roman fresco. There's a couple parameters you can play with, but the default works just fine. This is how to use this Diffusers app to generate very cool images from text on your laptop in just seconds. This app is using the same stable diffusion model that is behind the most popular Midjourney image generator. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Infinite Cloud AI for more content about cloud and AI technologies.